friends, and welcome to another episode of Me Flying World. You guys must be thinking that what we are going to do today in this episode. So first of all, you guys tell me like how many times you guys have really traveled in our own city like a tourist? Exactly, I'm going to do the same thing today. Actually, I have planned to visit a place in Delhi today. So basically that place is a tourist place. And the most important fact is that I have heard from many of my friends that that place is a bit haunted. I don't know whether that fact is true or not, but I have googled it also. There also is written the same thing. So चलो जाके पता करते हैं and find out whether that fact is that haunted fact is really true or not. Okay, let's get started. Today I am here in Agrasen ki Baoli. So this place is considered as most haunted place in Delhi. So I don't know. Let's explore and find out where this place is really haunted or not. But this place is a bit scary. As you can see, just have a look. Look at the stairs. An architecturally built stepwell by King Agrasen and rebuilt during the 14th century by the Agrasen's family tree later. It's a structure by 3 levels. It was used to filled up by water from backwater and preserved for Delhi summer months. Now there is no water and unfortunately the place is not that well maintained and bats have overtaken the ownership here. This place has been used for various scenes in Bollywood movies like PK, Sultan. I think you remember this place. And I must say this place is good for photography also. I have clicked lots of photos. You can check those photos in my Instagram profile.
about 108 steps to go to the bottommost area, basically worth the visit. So if you guys have liked the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yes, click the bell button during the subscription. That's all for today guys. Bye bye.